How to hide your game activity in Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can hide your Discord game activity on Discord. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Discord. After you open up your Discord, make sure you're logged in into your account. So let's let that load, and there we go. Now what we'll have to do is head over to an server, whichever server you want to remove the activity of. So here you'll find the activities right around here, what someone is doing or what you are doing. And if you want to remove that, head over to the user settings right here. And after you're here, scroll down on the left hand side until you find activity privacy. It's under activity settings. After you find that, tap on that. Now here you will see Discord will automatically update your status if you're attending a public stage, or here you'll find share my activity section. Simply toggle that button off, and after you've toggled that button off, you're good to go. Now it'll not share if you're playing any games on Discord. And it's that simple, and that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.